Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
You might be wondering guys kung saan sa Pampanga kami ngayon, and what a great architectural structure yung nasa likod natin. Today, we are at the shops at Infinity. This is our third video sa invitation nila. So, this is the shops, hindi lang pala pagkain, hindi lang mga retail store.
Yes.
But you also have some services establishment na nandito.
So today, we will pamper ourselves.
Yes!
So titingnan natin kung anong mga available para sa atin. So tara, let's go!
Anything that's in between the skin derma and the surgical,
Yes.
minimally invasive ang gitna.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually I could say the pioneer here in Pampanga. We've been doing this for a decade, and we represent the Philippines internationally and globally in terms of the field of aesthetic medicine. And the techniques that we use are very safe, clinically and scientifically studied, and of course my FDA clearance.
Yes.
That's the most important
Yes.
thing. Because here, what we do first, we do skin analysis before giving you some treatments. So actually, I could say the O-therapy is one of them for non-surgical facelifting. We also have those light laser therapy. Meron kami mga hair regrowth treatment. Yan. So skin whitening, or acne treatment, or acne scars treatment,
Alright, so we are in a section or the room wherein dito ginagawa yung mga facial room, and we're excited to experience it. Sabi nga nung mga crew natin dito, have a touch of CSA. Well, I'm excited now. What an experience, Mark.
Yes.
How did you feel?
So dito talaga mag-feel mo na marerelax ka. They will pamper you talaga the way na how do you pamper yourself.
Wow. Sometimes you need a rest, you need a relaxation, and you need a time to pamper yourself. So what a way to, do that here sa the shops. You gotta check out CSA Medical Aesthetics.
Yes.
Welcome to Ethos. Napansin po kasi namin the lifestyle in Angeles and Pampanga in general. People really love massages.
Yes.
So we put up a day's power and people can really stay here mga minimum 1 hour to relax and have a place to unwind, take a breather,
Yes.
and to pause.
Okay.
Basically, our tagline is awaken the new. The more you're present, the more you live in the now. And the more you take a pause, you live in the now.
Correct.
Do your work and passion
Yeah.
better. Very spiritual. Our experiences is an infusion of Balinese experience and Middle Eastern experience, but it's mostly Balinese. It's a combination of the massages and the manicure, pedicure.
Yes.
So it's really where you take time to
Yep.
to pamper yourself. We also have hair removal services. Parang one-stop shop na rin yan.
Alright, so this is our second stop. This is the Ethos Spa. So dito naman guys, kakaroon tayong massage.
Foot spa, manicure.
Join us in this journey again sa Pampering Day.
We open at 11:30
Up until?
up to 9 p.m.
Whoa! Now, this is Magnificut, guys, and another service business dito sa the shops at Infinity. Dito naman sinaserve nila guys are, you know, haircuts,
Hair
hair coloring,
Digi-perm.
yes.
So, more on dito yung mga pampaganda when it comes sa ating mga hairs and nails.
I've heard they are expert dun sa mga Korean look.
Yes, mga K-pop style.
Mga K-pop style. So let's talk to the owner or someone from the management para malaman pa natin kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito.
Originally, Tony and Jackie siya.
Yes.
Sariling pangalan namin. So,
Yes.
inano namin siya na Magnificut. Stylist namin. Yun
are
ang niretain namin.
original from the first one.
Yes.
So you have your haircuts, yeah.
Digital perm. Permanent na pag-curl or yung straightening. Lalo yung sa mga Korean curls na yung
Yes.
mga wave, yung
Yes.
malalaking waves. Yun ang mga hinahabol nila dito usually. Meron keratin, ganyan.
If you want a Korean look, dito talaga nila may style. Makukuha
Oo, pwede. Oo. Magagaling ang stylist namin. Sina Sir King, si Ma'am Sarah, tsaka si Miss Anne, siya yung sa nails actually.
Yes.
Ayan.
Alright! So, again, thank you so much, the shops at Infinity. What a day, what a blast, grabe. So, we had the time to, you know, pamper ourselves.
Kumbaga na-relax tayo, na-pamper tayo.
Nabusog pa tayo.
Nabusog pa tayo.
Miss
Yan.
Joey, thank you so much. For those who are interested to lease, how can they contact you po?
Okay, so we still have some available units here at the shop. You can actually call us or you can message us through our email, that is info@infinity.com.ph
Yes.
for inquiries. And also for all of the foodies naman out there, if you're looking for a place to pamper, to dine, and to discover a lot of services, we also have different offerings here at the shop. So you can visit us here at the shop. We are along Purok 4, FG Nepomuceno, Purong Maragol, Angeles City. So we hope to see you all here at the shops by the Infinity. And thank you for visiting the shops.
Alright, so guys, again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Bye.
Peace out.